IRS tax filing season 2023. We are going to go over gig work, how you can determine if you're an independent contractor or if you're self-employed. Welcome back, everyone. So happy to have you back for another IRS update. Make sure you're watching till the very end. This information is being shared from irs.gov, helping you to complete an accurate and complete 2022 tax return. Let's go ahead and get started with manage taxes for your gig work. Now, gig work is certain activity you do to earn income, often through an app or a website, digital platform. For example, you drive a car for book rides or deliveries, rent out property or part of it, run errands or complete tasks, sell goods online, or rent equipment, provide creative or professional services, provide other temporary or on-demand or freelance work. And this list does not include all types, but this give you more or less an idea of what is classified as gig work. Now, you must pay tax on income you earn from gig work. If you do gig work as an employee, your employer should withhold tax from your paycheck. If you do gig work as an independent contractor, you may have to pay estimated taxes. Unsure if you are an employee or an independent contractor? Well, let's go ahead and see which one you fall under. So you are an independent contractor or in business for yourself. If you are a business owner or contractor who provides services to other businesses, then you are generally considered self-employed. For information on your tax obligations, if you are self-employed, you can visit the Self-Employed Individual Tax Center. Simply go to irs.gov, type in the search self-employed. All right. Now, who is self-employed? Generally, you are self-employed if you carry on a trade or business as a sole proprietor or as an independent contractor, like we just discussed, or you are a member of a partnership that carries on a trade or business. You are otherwise in business for yourself, including a part-time business or gig work like we just went over. What are your self-employed tax obligations? As a self-employed individual, generally you are required to file an annual tax return and pay estimated taxes quarterly. Self-employed individuals generally must pay self-employment tax as well as income tax. Now, self-employment tax is Social Security and Medicare tax, primarily for individuals who work for themselves. It is similar to the Social Security and Medicare taxes withheld from the pay of most wage earners. In general, the wording self-employment tax only refers to Social Security and Medicare taxes and not any other tax like income tax. So if you are self-employed, you are responsible for paying these Social Security and Medicare taxes yourself because they are not being taken out like if you were working for a company specifically. Before you can determine if you are subject to self-employment tax and income tax, you must figure your net profit or net loss from your business. And you do this by subtracting your business expenses from your business income. If your expenses are less than your income, the difference is net profit and becomes part of your income on page 1 of Form 1040 or 1040 SR. If your expenses are more than your income, the difference is a net loss. You usually can deduct your loss from your gross income on page 1, Form 1040 or 1040 SR, but in some situations, your loss is limited. You can find more information on that on the irs.gov under publication 334. Type in the search publication 334 tax guide for small businesses for individuals who use Schedule C. Now you have to file an income tax return if your net earnings from self-employment were $400 or more. If your net earnings from self-employment were less than $400, you still have to file an income tax return if you meet any other filing requirement listed in Form 1040 or 1040 SR. And you can put in the search on irs.gov Form 1040 or 1040 SR and review those instructions to make sure you're filing a correct 2022 tax return. If you are self-employed doing side hustle gig work, all right, make sure to comment and share any information with your fellow taxpayers. And of course, don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and come back for all of the information that matters to you most, because I am doing the research so you do not have to. And I will see every one of you again very, very soon. Bye-bye.